Hello friends, is your diesel engine struggling to start, especially in cold weather? Is your check engine light on, and do you notice excessive smoke during startup? If your OBD2 scanner shows code P0543, it means there's an issue with the intake air heater A circuit open. Ignoring this can cause hard starts, poor engine performance, and higher fuel consumption. In this video, I'll explain what P0543 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0543? The P0543 code stands for Intake Air Heater A Circuit Open. This means the Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected an open circuit in the intake air heater system. This heater helps warm the air for better combustion, especially in cold starts. Common symptoms of P0543: difficult cold starts. Rough idling after starting. Excessive white smoke from the exhaust check engine light, CEL, is on reduced fuel efficiency. If you're noticing these issues, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0543, check these key components. Intake air heater relay, primary heater circuit. Location: inside the fuse relay box, usually near the battery or firewall. Intake air heater element, primary circuit. Location: inside the intake manifold or connected to the air intake piping. Heater control module, HCM. Location: near the firewall or attached to the engine. Wiring, harness and connectors location: runs between the relay, ECM and intake heater element. Tip: a disconnected or broken wire can cause this circuit to be open. Common causes of P0543. 1. Faulty intake air heater relay. A bad relay can cause the circuit to remain open. 2. Burned out heater element. If the heater coil is broken, it won't complete the circuit. 3. Broken or disconnected wiring. Frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires will prevent current flow. 4. Malfunctioning heater control module, HCM. A faulty HCM may fail to complete the heater circuit. 5. Bad ECM or blown fuse. A problem with the ECM or a blown fuse can also cause an open circuit. How to fix P0543. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0543 code. Step 2. Inspect the intake air heater relay and test it with a multimeter. Step 3. Test the resistance of the heater element. If it's too high or open, replace it. Step 4. Check all wiring and connectors for cuts, corrosion, or disconnections. Step 5. Test the heater control module, HCM, for proper function. Step 6. Replace any blown fuses in the heater circuit. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0543 can lead to hard starting, poor fuel economy, and long-term damage to your diesel engine. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0336, crankshaft position sensor, A circuit range, performance P0337, crankshaft position sensor, A circuit low input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.